Sweet bean paste tilde. Material azuki 200 grams sugar 200 grams water 2.4 L. Azuki red beans. Wash red beans. Add 1 liter of water to the pot with red beans. High fire. When it's boiling, let go of low heat. Low heat the degree to which beans dance. 10 minutes. Stop the fire. Put it in a colander and drain the water. Add 1.4 liter of water to the pot with red beans. High fire. When it's boiling, let go of low heat. Low heat the degree to which beans dance. 20 minutes. Super low heat. 10 minutes. Stop the fire. Put a lid. 10 minutes. See if it's getting softer. Discard boiled soup. Put it in a colander and drain the water. Put boiled red beans, 200 grams of sugar and 100 cc of water in the pan. High fire. When it's boiling, let go of low heat. Stir slowly. (15 to 20 minutes). Cool. Finished.